We are integral. We are transpersonal. We are in any moment transforming, flowing, and going beyond. And we are in any moment unite and interconnected. Welcome to the theory and method of integral transpersonal psychology. This is one of the main courses of ITP program at Ubiquity University. In order to understand the philosophy of the course of the program, we should think out of the box. We should have a shift into consciousness. Human being is a whole, is a unity interconnected with other unities. This means that in order to understand, in order to get a knowledge, we can just limit to knowledge, because the process of experience is a circuit, is a flowing into me, you, and the field. So we call translearning the methodology of teaching. During the course, we not only limit to the text knowledge through articles, handbooks, and videos. We will work during the classes in a self-mastery process to understand by all our bodies what we are learning. We will learn to go in the same place where authors are by shifting in our state of consciousness, a stage of thinking. We will learn how to apply what we understand by insight, by the deepness of our soul in our life, in the context we are living, in order to transform our life and the world, in order to transform outer and inner world, in order to better ourselves and the world we live in. The practice, the theory, the methodology are the main methodologies of both transpersonal and integral. The term trans from transpersonal means go beyond, means pervade everything, and means transform. And the term integral means where nothing is touched. We are integral, we are transpersonal. We are in any moment transforming, flowing, and going beyond. And we are in any moment unite and interconnected. We will try to follow the natural law, the natural process, in order to understand who we are and how to live better. So, we wait for you.